Hi there, thank you for watching my video. I'm going to show you these remarkable Studio Light Aqua Markers today. I'm going to start by making a background, and I'm using a piece of acetate sheet for that. I'm going to apply the colors of the markers on the acetate and use a spray water bottle to really blend the colors. If you want to see this video in Dutch, you can visit the Jadi Craft and Design YouTube channel. I've posted the same video there, but in Dutch. As you can see, these are beautiful colors that blend perfectly together. Each marker has two different types of tips that you can use. I'm just going to apply the colors randomly and then spritz it with water. I am definitely going to use these markers a lot because they are so versatile and you can do so much with them. Now just add the water and the magic begins. I'm using watercolor paper, and this is a piece that's left over, and never throw away your leftovers. You can always reuse them. Just look at that beautiful watercolory effect. I'm just going to add some more blue here and there. You can always dab off some of the excess water so that it would be easier to dry your paper, which I'm going to do right now. Here we are. I've dried my watercolor paper and now I can really see the watercolory effect. I'm just going to add a little bit more of the pink. So I'm just going to put the pink on the acetate sheet, add the water, and then dab it on my watercolor paper. Oh yeah, I really like how that has turned out. I'm just going to add a few stamps, and I'm going to use the Studio Light dye ink to do that. I'm just going to stamp on the page. I don't really have a plan, just see where it looks nice. Here I decided that I'm going to use another stamp, so I'm going through my stash to find the stamp that I want to use. And again, I'm not really following a plan. I'm just going to stamp where I think it's going to look nice. I have stamped an image on watercolor paper, and I'm going to use the aqua markers to color in this stamp. by adding some water, I really bring out the watercolor effect. I'm just dabbing off the excess water here. Perfect. So let's use our heat tool and dry the image. I've just cut out the image, and I'm also going to use this die cut from my stash. I'm just going to color that in with the dye inks. Before gluing on my images, I'm just going to spray a little bit more of the water on the background. Oh yeah, I'm liking this background. Now let's glue on these images. Now I will darken the edge of my paper, and I'm using again a darker color of the Studio Light dye ink. My background needs a little bit more stamping. I already told you how versatile these aqua markers are, and this time I'm going to be using them for stamping. So I have a small clear stamp that I'm going to color in with the aqua markers, and then I'm going to stamp on my paper. This is so much fun, and it's gonna look beautiful. I bought a few notebooks and I'm going to personalize one of them with this beautiful background. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and here is me showing you the end result. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time. Bye bye.